35, 45. That's 80. 25. Dang. Heavy duty. Weighs 6.4 pounds. And a Husky backpack, tool bag. Excellent material. It's got a little top pocket. Put your glasses, whatever. You got a lot of clips here to be able to hang. You have a little pocket here. And you also got a little bag storage behind here. You got side pockets for bottles, whatever you want to put in here. Turn it around. You got more of these little hanging areas for clips. You got a padded backpack, a little space back here. You've got the waist clip, so when you have these over your shoulders, it holds it in place a lot better. You got a big storage area here. Comes down. Put a lot of tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little pockets. 3 big pockets. You got about 3 to 4 inches in the bottom. Got more pockets here. By the way, that bottom, hard shell, waterproof. Set that one up. You got a much bigger storage area back here. This padding. Also hard here, a pocket here, another deep space in here with another 6 pockets to put tools in. It feels good. Nice and soft on the top. Up here. Yeah. It fits well. He's 6'3". So I lengthened this down some. Got some spray here, water bottle here, tape measure, flashlight. Got some cutting tools in here. Pipe, surgical scissors, box cutter. So you got my voltmeter up here. Multimeter. Got some tools I made myself. Ankle cutter. Vice grips. 1/2 inch socket extender pliers. Multi-tool pliers. Sideways pliers. Drill, hammer, wire cutters, wire brush rather, pipe wrench, metal hammer. Yeah, it's good to go. You know, you can have 100 pounds, but it gets pretty heavy. Heavy duty. Husky heavy duty.